Hi, today I'm going to create a presentation in Chronicle for a team meeting in less than 5 minutes. I have an update to share at our all hands for a project I'm working on. I only have about 5 minutes to present, so this needs to be a quick and easy presentation to follow. For presentations like this, I usually start with a mix of templates and a little help from our AI agent to create something quick. So first, I'm just going to create a title slide for the project. Now I'm going to add a project team slide for my team members of the project. I'm going to head into our template picker, select slides, and go into the categories where I can find a team slide. I'm going to add these in. Next, I want to create a slide which shares a bit more about the project that I'm working on. Again, I'm going to go and create a template. I'm going to browse through what I would be looking for, which is a short summary for the project. I'm going to scan through and pick one of these slides. Now I'm just going to create the content and fill out this slide. Great. So now that I've written something about our project, the next slide that I want to create is actually a project timeline. Here I'm going to present a bit more about the different stages of the project. I'm feeling a little bit lazy for this slide, so I'm actually going to enlist the help of our AI agent. I'll click into Muse, which is in the bottom right-hand corner, and I'm just going to prompt it and ask it to design a slide for me. Now, Muse is going to actually search our database of templates. It's going to select the right one. It's going to fill out the content with the context of my current presentation and then create the right slide for me. So let's take a look. Awesome. This is really great. I'm going to insert this now and I can make adjustments to it. For example, I'm going to just change the name and tag myself and my team. I might just change the colors in this as well. And I can easily do that by clicking the colors. And I'm pretty happy with that. I can move around the content as I please. Now, just the last one, I'm going to add a final ending slide. So I'm going to browse again, look through all of the slides, go to next steps, and I can choose this template to add in. Awesome, and that's that. I've got a quick presentation to give at our all hands with just 5 minutes to go. And I'm pretty happy with that. It goes through all of the key slides and I can now share it at our presentation. See you in the next video.